What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley again, here with our precious little Luna. I know I made a video about her when I got her. She has grown so much and I just wanted to share her to you guys. And I love her even more every day. But this is her and she's making an appearance on my video. So don't forget to give this video a like for honor of Luna. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be about what's in my bag. I love making these type of videos, and I think I did one like 8-10 years ago when I had like no cam equipment. I had nothing. I still don't. I use my iPhone, but that's just me. But I'll be doing a what's in my bag, so let's get started. So this is the bag I am carrying to work. It is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size MM. It is the red interior, and this is the bag I am currently using every day, Monday through Friday. And on the weekends, I usually use my Disco Soho bag or my Louis Vuitton Speedy. But let's get right into it. So I'll be taking things out in random order, whatever is in here. And I think that there's a lot of junk. I don't even know, to be honest, what's in here. I've been using this bag so much to work that I'm kind of scared of pulling out things. I'm kind of scared of pulling out things from this bag because I don't know what's in here. But let's get started. So the first item I have is the Kate Spade New York. I did get this to kind of go with the red interior. This one I got it from Poshmark for like 20 bucks. I am a huge fan of Poshmark and I used it to sell my items and help other people who also sell their stuff, and I end up buying it, and then it's a problem because I have to pay for it. But this I got in Poshmark, and just all my information's here. I have a cute little picture of me and George in here, which I could share. My credit cards obviously not, but it has a zipper in the back, very simple. And yeah, the next item I have is this key holder. This is the Louis Vuitton key holder in the pink interior, and I have my keys. I have my car keys, my house keys, and this was my old job keys. I need to give back. And my house and my parents' house keys. So this is such a handy item that if you guys are looking for, I think, and you guys want to know if it's actually worth it, it is. This was a replica, so it cost me like 20 bucks or 22 bucks, but whenever it like breaks, I will end up purchasing the authentic item because that's how I roll. So the next item I have are baby wipes. Girl, you never know when you need baby wipes, so I have baby wipes, okay? Oh. The next item I have is a pad and my medication. A cord that has tape and hair on it. Oh my god, this is so... Why am I even zooming in for you guys to see it? Why am I doing that to you? Okay, what else do we have here? I have an open Sharpie. Oh my god. Oh, it's dry. But I have an open Sharpie. That's a big no, guys. If you guys have a Neverfull, make sure you guys have something to clean it or maintain it. A pen, another pen. I should get, I don't know. I have this nasty like looking lipstick in the inside, but it's my favorite. It is the Armani Ecstasy Balm. It's like that. My glasses, which I don't know, they look ugly. I have a liquid eyeshadow. I don't know why I need that. I definitely don't. I have a highlighter. I have another pen. I have Tylenol and garbage, technically. Ooh, I have more medicine. I'm not sick, but I do drink this one. It says healthy urinary tract. It like kind of helps clean your urinary woman stuff, and it's amazing. Another pen. I have a Bite in the color Currant. Is this pretty color. I don't know why I have so much junk. Okay, here's the other part, okay, of the broken charger. So I have the cube, I have a scrunchie, I have a Glow Easy Nourishing Vitamin C Lip Oil, and it has a smiley face. That was so retarded. I swear, if I don't drop something in a video, it's not me. I have more garbage because garbage is amazing. I have a Fenty Beauty color Hint. It's a balm. I have my favorite. This is amazing, guys. This is my go-to lipstick for work. It's called Modern Woman, and I would want to swatch this for you because it's so pretty. I really love it, and look at that color. It looks so pretty, and I think it's an amazing color for work. Since I work in the office, I think it brightens me up and it's kind of settles on my skin. I also have a liquid black eyeshadow, which I don't know why I have that. It's not like I go out afterward or something. I do not. I have to come home to Luna. And then I have this one. I've been using this one. It's Armani in the color 103 Rogue Matte, and it's this pretty. It kind of is similar to the other one. I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's more brown with like orange with an I just stabbed it. Look what I just did. It's this color right here, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have another Sharpie. I have this color named Lolita from Kat Von D. I have this other color. It says Mocha Chocolata. Ooh, and it kind of looks, I'm gonna put it in the middle. It's like this, it's this one in the middle. It's that pretty Marc Jacobs. I have that. I have another of Modern Lip. I have headphones. I have vitamin D, just in case I forget my vitamins. I have eye drops. I have a Revlon Color Stay lip liner in the color red. And let's do this one. It's that pretty red, intense red. Whenever I need a pop, I have a quarter. I have one of my favorite lipsticks. I swear, how many lipsticks I have? I will count all my lipsticks after. But I have a lot. This one is what is this one? Bow and Arrow. This one is so pretty too. I use this for work a lot. So it's this one right here. It's similar to this one, however this one is more like a matte with less shimmer, and this one is more of a shimmer, and this one is also, look how pretty it is. It comes off just a little bit, but it's very pretty. I also have my agenda. When I started this new job, I needed to take a lot of classes, and I wrote it all down here. I'm just gonna show you a random page. Okay, this is my agenda for December. So some of the stuff already filled in that I have to do, and pretty much that's it. Let me see that there's nothing personal in here. Okay, and this one is for November. It has so much stuff that I did, and all my classes are in here. And yes, and this book, I got it in TJ Maxx for like $4. I also have a folder with all my stuff from work, all my documents that I need to have for work, and that's about it. Now let's count how many lipsticks I actually took in this bag. Pretty much carried 11 lipsticks and 2 of the same lipsticks in my bag. Why? I have no idea, but I guess it makes me happy. And the organizer I've been using is this beautiful red organizer from the company ZTUJO. I don't want to butcher their name, but they were kind enough to send me this product, and I've been using it non-stop, especially because it has this detachable thing on top that you can have in your bag. So I carry a Neverfull, and the Neverfull does not have a zipper, but with this product it will eliminate the chances of getting robbed or someone putting their hand in your bag, especially when you're out shopping or you're with your family. You don't want to have that type of concern. So I think this product is amazing, especially because it has this zipper right here, and it opens, and if you don't want this and you just want it, you just take it off, and it still has the department, one right here, one right here, right here, and right here. Also, if you will like, you can detach the part right here, and it's just a big space for you to have. I got it in the size large just because I like my bag to be bulky and have the shape. So I have a Neverfull MM, and this is a size large. And I really like this product, not only because I know you're gonna say, oh, they send it to you, so you have to buy. No, but because it has that zipper on the top that I can cover my stuff, especially my wallet. I don't want people stealing my millions. But it is a great product. I do have a code for you. Also, everything is going to be down below, and I hope you guys take a chance to look at this, and I hope you guys really decide to purchase one because it's amazing. It keeps your bag clean, and I'm not a clean person. As you can see, I have a mess in my bag, but because of this item, I end up having the bottom of my bag very clean, and that's very important to me if I ever want to sell it or anything like that. Also, this company, you can find them on Amazon. They have great reviews. Trust me, if it was not a great company, I wouldn't be telling you about it, especially if it's not a great product. I would definitely not be sharing it with you guys. But if you are a Louis Vuitton lover like me and have a Neverfull, I think you should definitely have one, especially like that open concept of the Neverfull. You always want to try to be secure by having a zipper on top, and why not? This organizer comes with a zipper. Best of both worlds. It organizes your things and keeps your bag clean and keeps people from stealing your stuff. This item was $25 and some change. They do have different sizes and different colors. You can always check their stuff. They're also, I think I did already mention, they are on Amazon. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys.